currently waiting for young Joseph to get out of the house here. Usually takes about 25 minutes per trip, but that's okay because he's gonna be the one on camera, so I kind of get it. Let's see. There he is here. There he is. Doing something in there. Oh, here he comes, here he comes. I'm fairly confident. Nope. Oh, no.
Off like a Yeezy feel, like these boots. What do you think?
I think they look good to me, man.
Boots are straight.
Boots are straight. There he is.
No, I was thinking.
Alright, so we don't really know where we're going. Aimlessly driving. I'm sorry for the shake here. Let's get this off. We're from Michigan, so you know it's Michigan roads. Anyway, we don't know where we're going. We might go downtown Lansing. It's a really, really, really big popping place, so I don't know if we'll be able to get down there with all the traffic. But
yeah, that would be cool. Maybe, or we could just go really ratchet with
it. There's that school right over there. The sun just popped out, so and it sets right down the street, so. That'll
and I like those, like when the sun's setting, those shots look so dope.
Yeah.
They're always so dope.
We're approaching golden hour, so.
Golden hour.
But we're gonna do like an Instagram series, so that's another thing is a lot of people just post to their stories, they just highlight their own posts. And I've been watching a few people that are really, really big on there.
Sorry. I'm just so I'm distracting myself.
So, but we're gonna actually like kind of tell a story of what we're gonna do for the next few hours. And we're just gonna, you know, it's gonna be like kind of a photo series. I almost just ran a red light, sorry.
And what's cool about Jeremy is this is the first time I'm even hearing of this. As we just, you just turned this on like we're doing this, like that's dope.
Yeah, so
I'm with it.
So basically, it's a lot of people just use their stories to just kind of highlight what they already post. And you gotta kind of leverage the platform instead and just leverage it and kind of tell a story. I think people are more interested in your actual story of what you were doing, and then you can see the post too.
For sure.
So that's what we're gonna go do.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, it'll be a whole series.
Kind of shows you guys what goes into this stuff, and it's fun. Honestly,
yeah,
this is fun for us. This is like.
I mean, it's a Saturday and we don't have anything to do, so you might as well do something creative.
Going out like probably 5-6 hours from now, so why not kill some time doing some dope shit? So this lens you just got.
Yeah, I went out and I rented a lens that I think is going to be pretty cool for some portrait shots. So, and with the gold light, you can kind of see it coming in from over here to my left. But with this golden light, it should look pretty good. The streets go east to west, so the sunset goes straight down the streets of downtown. So I think it'll be pretty cool.
Are you hopping down the highway? Or?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going downtown.
All right,
which will look dope. Downtown's always sick.
Yeah. I'm gonna shut this off so we don't fucking crash out. Alright, what's up guys? I'm back. I just realized I hadn't recorded like an outro or something for this. I just got done editing all the B-roll and it looks pretty cool, I think anyway. But we had a really fun day. Joe had a lot of fun, you know, he likes to be on camera, getting his picture taken, stuff like that. He has some cool new photos. I think they turned out great. I'm going to be sharing them over here on this side of your screen. And if you want to see all of them, go ahead and check out my Instagram, and it's on my Instagram highlights. Again, that's kind of what I was talking about previously when I was distractedly driving. You can use your story to leverage your photos, okay, to show people more of what was going on. If you take this amazing photo, or these, you know, 1 or 2 amazing photos, and you share them, that's great. But a story kind of tells people where you were and what you did. For us, we wandered around for about 2-3 hours, half of which was Joe looking for his phone because he left it at one of the locations, and we had to go back and run around and try to find which one, and it was at the very last one, of course, that we checked. But 3 hours later, it was still there, so we got lucky. Anyway, yeah, I just, again, I think doing your Instagram stories this way is a really cool way to highlight what you were doing, to leverage your platform, to say, maybe if people click your profile, they click on the highlight, and they see, wow, this amazing story, and maybe I should go like that post. Yes, I am in my car, for anyone who's wondering. And actually, check this out. I'm gonna put my key in here. Fancy. I don't have a big fancy office. Don't make enough money yet doing any of this stuff. So be sure to click the like button, the subscribe button. Tell people, say, hey, I kind of liked this video. The quality kind of sucked a little bit, but I think he's gonna get better. We only had one camera. I was the only one rolling a camera. I'll be hooking up with a couple of other local photographers. We're gonna go to Detroit. We're gonna go, a lot of different places and do more videos and stories like this. So subscribe, like, and I'll see you next time.